If you're new to running Facebook ads, there are 3 campaign objectives you should avoid using at all costs. They are the awareness objective, the traffic objective, and the engagement objective. Here's why. At awareness level, you are normally using this type of advertising objective if you're wanting to see what type of ads Facebook is most likely to serve to people. It also provides you an opportunity to see what type of videos people are going to view. However, if you are running a leads or sales objective, that sort of metric is going to be shown anyway in the overall information if you let the campaign run long enough. The reason why you want to avoid traffic objective conversions is because it is confusing and it can get very complicated and cost you a lot of money. You can see that they are used for link clicks, landing page views, Instagram profile visits, calls, and messenger objectives. However, once again, in leads and sales, you can do the same thing as well. And you want to avoid engagement objectives because for the simple reason that it's normally used to prop up the engagement on organic Facebook advertising posts. Used primarily as a conversion-based objective metric, it is going to be highly ineffective and it's going to attract the wrong type of lead or sale customer. So remember that awareness, traffic, and engagement are the conversion objectives you want to avoid at all costs. Hope you find this video useful, and don't forget, if you are wanting to run a campaign for the first time using Facebook ads, use the leads campaign objective or the sales campaign objective. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If your business needs professional help with paid advertising for Google Ads and Facebook, get in touch with us today at paidadvertisinghelp.com.